Service television, a chance for Gordon Britas
to explain the secrets of...
Hey Mike, I've got a free one.
Now, your damn machine has poured boiling coffee all over my trousers.
Oh dear, I'm so sorry. I'll call a first aid officer.
I do not need first aid.
I thought perhaps a bandage?
Nor do I want anything bandaged. I just want my money back so that I can get a white coffee with 2 sugars, preferably in a cup this time.
Of course.
What's this?
These are just the official claim forms. If you could fill them out in block capitals, we don't have to do it all again. Colin, can you give me a hand with this? Colin, are you all right?
I'll tell him you're looking for him.
I'm sure he won't be.
Let us pray their baptism this morning may see tongues of fire come down from heaven as they did a virgin, and may that fire enter their bodies and infill them so that they may be born again into a new life.
Don't do it, Colin. Don't do it. Stop right there. Mr. Britas, I'm sorry if I spoke to you a little harshly this morning, but what are you doing up there, Colin?
Just tidying up this cable, Mr. Britas. I know how you like everything neat and ship-shape.
Is that cable live?
Certainly is, Mr. Britas.
Have you any idea how dangerous that is, Colin?
Dangerous?
Coiled cable with a live current passing through it creates a powerful magnetic field. Didn't you know that?
Oh.
Imagine if some elderly person came in here looking for a lost grandchild, leant against the wall to get his breath back, came into contact with a magnetic field which turned his pacemaker off.
I thought of that, Mr. Britas.
You'd have a death on your hands, wouldn't you, Colin? Take it down at once.
Right, Mr. Britas.
Where does this thing go, anyway?
The lights. I think it might have something to do with the fact that my husband's just electrocuted everyone in the pool.
Oh my God!
Yeah, it reminds me of the way my uncle used to catch salmon.
What?
Seeing the bodies floating around on the surface like that.
Well, are they dead?
The fish weren't, not usually, just stunned. And then my uncle used to haul them out with a net and knock them on the head. Maybe that's what Gordon's going to do, you never know.
How did it happen?
I think he dropped an electric fire into the pool.
Why?
I don't know, Julie. I don't ask about these things anymore.
No, that is not enough. We'll need at least 4 ambulances. Well, I suppose will have to be, won't it?
They're turning the power back on now, Mr. Britas.
Thank you, Gabby.
Oh.